Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how we can activate social media icons. So that is a call. Previous we can use this add this.com. But right now, add this.com is not working well to the particular business users. Why? Because they will completely will be changed. So the another feature is called replace of add this. We can log in with the Google option name is called share this.com. Log in with the Google, share this. This also will be same. I can't say everything, but is the strictly we can show will be like this here. This will be adding on your particular website, right side column or left side column. Anything will be accepted. Right side and left side column. Anything will be accepted. Now click here. First of all, add your domain name. So without domain name, can I add it to your add this? Impossible. Where you can place the code, the website link is compulsory will be recognized. So one website code can I add another website? Not. Which website we can add this? Why? Because they will be track the report. How much share, reach, everything they will give the proper report. You can see in the corner, see this 820k shares. Then all count will given by the sharethis.com. So that is the reason add domain. Sir, can I have one login? Can I add multiple websites? It is possible. Where it is possible? Add and domain. One login, you can add the all domain. But each website will be separate logins are there. Suppose your common admin is there. Add the one common admin to the all websites, blog or everything. But he is complete individual. So compulsory follow will be individual logins. There is called inline share, strictly share, image share, custom share button, video share button. If you go with custom share button, this completely will be difficult to the users. So that is the call. App directory. We are selecting will be option here is here is the thing. First of all, selecting this everything option before, there is option call is enable tool. Without enabling tool, nothing will be changed. So in the enable tool, what are the options you selected? Everything will be customization. Create manual button. The buttons will be show only for 3 or 4. So right now I'm visible only for 4 option. One is Facebook, Twitter, share button, and Pinterest. Change. When I'm visible by short. When I click for more, they're visible by entire one. LinkedIn, blog, or everything will be possible. And close it. And after this one, simple, which is called left or right. And color changing, label change, everything. Share count. Compass I need count will be required. Call to action. You're looking for large, medium, or small. I'm looking for small. Mobile hide or desktop hide. Which is you're looking for hide. But anywhere I'm looking for the not hide from the my business. So here is that. After this one, activation code. So this will be activate code. See this. Copy the code. Entire code will be accepting for here. I'm adding will be this code will be into the header text. Paste it and save change. Now refresh. There is a fraction of seconds done here. We have something different. We add this here. So yeah, manually add your future, large, minimum count. Here is that 4. Before that, what your mistake? You're not updated. After click update, code is same. Icons will be changed. So there is available by this particular icon. So go ahead, manual, activation code, copy code. Any code is missing, they will be give this particular. Finally, code is active. So I'm add the code. I'm changing some other options. Suppose I'm adding LinkedIn icon. Icon added. I will be updated. New code required or not. We can check it here. Now refresh and control F5. I'm adding the icon will be LinkedIn. I'm not changing the code. Added automatically. So code optimize only one time. Once add the code, number of icon you can change it. Automatically reflect by the website front end like Facebook, Twitter, everything. When I'm sharing this any content, here is that what is the main reason is called early backlink purpose. This will be more early backlink purpose. Click this and any product you can show to the customers. Click here. This will be applicable all pages or only for certain pages. This will be applicable by the all pages. I am clicking for Asus laptop. What a laptop you can visible here. Click this. Now click this. We can go with this option will be here and click for a particular option. So this will be what is the account we can add it here. The every post will be done by in a particular option. When I click this one, they go to my website. That is mean by engage our audience with a link. So nobody can skip. So when you're posting time, use your hashtags and post your properly updated here. So that is the affected by the audience when click will be here. So that is the purpose. We can add by the share this option. So generate the code and send to the developer is update on your website with activation code. Without enable this code will be here. We can't add the your particular share this button. Always remember Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, link appearance is main. Uploading time. So what are the information is there here? See this. Copy, share it before sharing time. What the link will be here and click for post it. In a Twitter is not showing for large thumbnail. There is a problem will be Twitter cards. The video is available into my channel. Go to my channel and watch the video will be here. So if any further question about the share this button to contact our channel, I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.